Okay, you're gonna hear some noise. I just got home from work. You're gonna hear some noise. Microwave's going. I'm baking a potato in the microwave. I'm just gonna chop some carrots for my giant salad. How I like to say it. I say it just like SpongeBob. Salad. That's the way I like to say it. Okay, and I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. Now my mashed potatoes are very simple. I just take the potato and some herbs and spices, grind it together, and there you go, mashed potatoes. That's how I like to do it. Nice and simple. Let's start with getting my stuff here for my salad. Okay, there's my big bowl, my salad. Got my blades here. I'm going to use the 40-ounce carafe container, whatever you want to do. I left this thing on all day. It didn't have any ghosts, so that's not a problem there. I'm probably gonna need this. I'm gonna chop this here carrot. That's been in the fridge a while. It's got roots, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. I washed it, and you can't expect the Vitamix to work miracles. Like some people have such high expectations. You can just put anything in there. The Vitamix can destroy anything in there and destroy it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and make a few of these breaks in the carrot so I can just drop it in little by little. And I'm also gonna follow through with a little bit of onion. Normally I like to just eat the onion big chunks like this, but I'm not gonna do that for this for today. So okay, let's see how it turns out. I'm just gonna drop this in there, and we're just gonna use a pulse speed and see how it comes out. In fact, you can probably just do a slow speed. Okay, the chop. That's pretty much exactly what I'm looking for. The chop. There you go. I don't know about the onion. I probably have to take some of this out to get the onion. I'm just going to put that on top of my salad. Expose some of the blades. Leave some of the carrot in there. Okay. Slow speed again. Just drop that in there. That's it. My onions are chopped pretty good. I mean, I could do a little, no, they're fine. I could do a little more, a little less. I don't know. My mood is like, I don't really care. I just want carrots and onions. All right, and there we go. We topped my salad. Now to make the mashed potatoes, I'm actually going to leave the leave-ins in here for the carrot and the onion and just have it in the mashed potatoes. I do that all the time. It's just my way of kind of making my mashed potatoes a little more extra. So I'm going to top this a little bit with some of this garlic and herb seasoning. That, I like some cayenne pepper, just a sprinkle. I like everything spicy. Some black pepper, just grind some up. Okay, I eat this salad every day. Well, at least now I do, because I kind of discovered it recently. It's super simple. Lime juice, whatever. Super simple. Now I top it with salsa. Now I don't have all the ingredients to make fresh salsa, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna do a store-bought salsa. Pace is pretty much the one I like the best. It has the least amount of garbage in it. In fact, it has pretty much almost nothing as far as weird preservatives. Pace is and also tastes the best to me. So, well, my chicken is done. I'm just heating up a Costco chicken, and I just pour this on there. Like I said, fresh salsa is definitely superior, but you know, sometimes you gotta take shortcuts. And my potatoes ready. Let's make the potato. This thing is gonna be super hot potato. Oh yeah, it is. Ow, 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 ow. Let me drain the small amount of water that remains. Okay. That's gonna be my potato. I need the tampies. I'm gonna need a knife anyway. So I got my tampies here. This is a pretty good sized potato, so I'm not gonna put that whole thing in the machine like that. I'm just gonna kind of just give it a little cut or two here. Okay. Like I said, you can't expect these machines to do miracles. You have to do a little bit of work here. A little bit of work in the kitchen. You gotta stir with a spoon sometimes. Okay, like I said, real time, not cut nothing. If I make a mistake, I make a mistake. Whatever. This stuff's hot. Ooh, this stuff's hot. Real good, real good. I do things my own way. I do accept tips and tricks from other people, but most of the time I just do things my own way that seem kind of odd. Oh, yeah, but that's just me. Okay, so I'm gonna add some Montreal chicken seasoning with reduced sodium. We're gonna add that to the potato there. I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper because, like I said, I like everything spicy. And we're gonna mix it up with the carrot stuff, so let's see what happens. Well, you can see the speed. Okay, I don't want it too, I want to leave some kind of chunkiness in it. Yeah, there you go, mashed potato. Because of the water that's still in the potato, it's making it nice and like smooth and melty. And you know, I didn't even. Oh, here's the bowl. I'm looking for the bowl like an idiot. Okay, here we go. Let me just use the blunt side of this knife to kind of just get this, cause there we go. I'll wash that in a second. I'm just gonna get my spatula, which is over here. Get my spatula and just dump that lovely little mashed potato into my plate. Now I do have the blade scraper. Okay. I do have the blade scraper, the best tool ever for this kind of work. However, the benefit of the S50 or any S series is the removable blades. Oh my God, now I can have access to all the yumminess that's in here, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm just like, I just want to eat. I don't care, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I just want to eat. So I'm just gonna clean this up. Yeah, I'm not gonna show the cleanup of the machine on the video. This is, you know, that's a given. I'm just gonna put water in the machine and you'll see it tomorrow. Whatever. This is meal 2 of the day. Whatever. The 90-day challenge. Day 1, meal 2.